The armed bandits were using a compound within the areas as logistics stores to support their operation. Consequently, the Nigerian Air Force dispatched a NAV Alpha jet supported by an intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance platform to attack the compound, scoring accurate strikes on the target and causing it to erupt into flames. This eventually engulfed the structures and resulted in the neutralization of 25 services and other security agencies to sustain the tempo. It also requested for continued support and cooperation from the general public. It will be recalled that the Nigerian Army had last week launched exercise Harbin Kunama 3 in Zamfara State to reinforce the already existing military operations against the armed bandits terrorizing people in the state. In Gusau, Jamilu Ibrahim, NTA News.
Za a ci gaba da bincike domin akwai wanda suke taimaka musu, akwai wanda suke ba su kuɗi su zo su yi wannan abubuwan. Bincike zai fito da abubuwa sosai wanda za su taimake mu.